Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your HTC One M9e device. So first open the Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Then just find the app with a rabbit on the icon and install it. Open it. Tap Start Now. Tap on the cross on the top left corner. Cool, here you will see the globe. Click on it. Here you can choose the country to connect to. For example, I want to connect to United States. Choose a free server and just click OK. Wait a while. And cool, now VPN was successfully connected. We can see it here. Here we can here is the speed of our connection. And cool, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.